Data analytics is getting a major AI upgrade because Qlik is rolling out new capabilities that let users build and manage data pipelines using natural language, alongside AI agents that are designed to automate analytics, predictions, and workflows. With deeper integration into tools like Talend Studio and real-time data streaming via its open lakehouse, the Qlik platform is evolving to support the growing demands of agent-driven AI systems. The biggest shift is towards making complex data more accessible while maintaining governance, as AI takes a more active role in decision making. How important will trusted AI ready data platforms be as agents take on more business tasks for us?
Increasingly important, essential, in fact. There's a lot of companies doing this, actually. I was just at a Workday summit. That's not analytic. Well, they have analytics capabilities. That's a lot more about workflow, but it's the same basic principle. The principle being that once, most of the headlong rush into AI and holding up shiny AI results and saying, "Look," once that was over, the enterprise more or less got down to business and said, "We want to do all this stuff, but we still want to protect our IP, protect our own ways of doing business, obviously our customers' information and all that sort of stuff." Companies like Qlik, I mean, Qlik is the paradigm of the data analytics firm that has built its capabilities and tools from on-prem out into Qlik Cloud now, with that exact enterprise viewpoint in mind. And when I say enterprise, it could be a public institution as much as a commercial or private one. So what we're seeing with these approaches to adding Agentic, adding AI tools to do queries on ever more massive and less structured data pools and contexts, what we're seeing is that the style of the vendor in building their original software or platform just extends out into how they're building not just the AI itself, but the security and the management around those. And this is a great example of that.